Meaning of EPCOT.
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 EPCOT. EPCOT stands for Experimental Prototype Community of Tomorrow. It was originally envisioned by Walt Disney as a planned city, where people could live and work in a community that was focused on innovation, technology, and international culture. However, after Walt Disney's death, the plans for EPCOT were scaled back and it was eventually transformed into a theme park in Florida. Today, EPCOT is known for its unique attractions, cultural exhibits, and international cuisine. It continues to celebrate the spirit of innovation and possibility that inspired its original vision.